Dr. Mukul Sangma, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I feel greatly privileged to join the leader of this August House and the honorable former speakers and other distinguished colleagues of this August House in congratulating you on being elected unanimously to this office, the highest office of this legislature. Congratulations. I must begin by saying that the choice has been befitting to occupy this chair. I have seen you being associated with our distinguished tallest leader earlier, the most trusted man of Sangma. That's how we used to describe when we refer to our newly elected Honorable Speaker. Having been conditioned in dealing with the pulls and pushes of politics and having watched intently all the proceedings of the parliamentary proceedings while being associated with Sangma, you have been enriched fully and you are fully equipped. I have no doubt about the whole efficiency and skill with which you will preside over this August House and attend to various other associated responsibilities as Honorable Speaker of this August House. Conditioned and seasoned, again as member of the Parliament and also of this August House. This House, yes, we as members of this August House are proud to be members of this August House because of its distinction in legislative exuberance and the fact that this House has withstood the test of time to remain known as a House where the dignity and decorum of this August House have been maintained at the highest order. I'm sure we have all been instrumental in preserving and protecting and promoting this name and fame of this August House. Under your leadership as the Honorable Speaker, I have every reason to believe that we will take this House to greater heights in making it synonymous to the name and fame of this August House, of being a House where we have a proceeding of very high order, let it be a proceeding of highest order, and the House will remain known as the House where the dignity and decorum of the House prevails over everything else. I wish you best of health. My prayers are there that God bless you with wisdom, knowledge, and enlightenment to enable you to discharge this very important office of the Speaker. The office of the Speaker being known as an office where the man who sits on the chair, the office of the Speaker is considered as every thing revolves around the saying that Speaker is infallible. So we look forward for a vibrant proceeding of this August House. The 5 years ahead, let's have innings that will be remembered for the generation next. And once again, may God bless you and shower upon you wisdom, knowledge, and enlightenment. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.